BULL stock analysis next week. Is it a buy? Super interesting. That's exactly what I'll be breaking down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in this space with about 43,000 videos documented and 5 years of experience, I have genuinely seen what's working for me and what's not. It's all on my YouTube channel, by the way. You can check it out. And with this, I had a decent bullish idea. It sort of never came exactly into my demand zone, but it came lower and then delivered, which I was not able to kind of catch. And with this in mind, I mean, going into this next week, I'll still be looking for longs. But does that mean that I'm going to start randomly buying? Not necessarily. I mean, not necessarily. I'm not going to do that whatsoever. So all I would like to see is just like a decent shift as such. And only then, if the price gives me that confirmation, I'll be fine to take it up and move. Other than that, mate, it's all pure freaking noise. And all I'm doing in the meantime, I'm just waiting for rules. So BULL got about 25 results in the Discord. Let me know what is your opinion. If you want to stay tuned and get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.